This video demonstrates how to issue credentials using OpenID for verifiable credential based on JWT and SD-JWT credential formats. Using the API key from igrant.io, you can execute the API as shown. Once the API key is configured, you can define the credential in the body. You can reuse the example, either JWT or SD-JWT, from the Issue Credential API workflow under Getting Started, as shown in the video. You can execute the API by clicking the Send API Request button. From the response received, copy the credential offer field value containing the OpenID credential offer URI, as shown. In a new tab, paste the OpenID for VC credential offer URI as text to a QR code generator. You can now use a data wallet or similar, as shown on the left. Scan the QR code to request that the credential be issued. Feel free to contact us and stay connected for more insights on European digital identity wallets.